Good morning, bright and early, everyone. John and I are in the Bentonite Hills of Utah. It is just about sunrise, a little bit before 6 a.m. We are going to go try to see the colorful blue hills here in Utah. We got in last night. We were able to see some of it, but we were really rushing, trying to get videos on our drone, trying to get camp set up. So I didn't take any sort of videos, didn't even take any pictures. Hopefully our content last night came out pretty good, but we're gonna go make sure that everything looks extra special this morning.
So this one's a bit more busted up, it's just a fragment of it. But you can see this light surface right here, you can see all those little potholes, that's the cancellous bone in the center.
Well, that might be the coolest unexpected stop on this road trip we make the whole time. We just continued down the road from the Bentonite Hills, thought we would eventually make it over to our next stop, but instead the road ended at this burpy geologic area. This is I think they actually call it a dinosaur quarry. Not only did we get to walk around a super cool spot, see some dinosaur fossils and some fossilized trees, but we got to talk to some paleontologists who told us a little bit more about the area and the work they're doing, showed us what to look for, and this is the coolest thing. There has to be like a dozen people out here digging up fossil bones. We could hear them using air compressors to blow dirt out. This is so unbelievably cool, and totally just stumbled upon this. I had no idea this was out here. Last night, John and I got to the Cosmic Ashtray Trailhead, or at least one of them, we think. We, after looking, had put one place into Google Maps, but then the trail we were supposed to be following actually starts at the total opposite end, about an hour and a half away from where we parked. We did find that there is a trail that'll take us there. We hope it's a little bit easier, same distance, so we're gonna try it out. Yesterday was an absolute whirlwind. We did some absolutely incredible things yesterday, things that we were not expecting, did not have planned in the slightest bit at all. We woke up at the Bentonite Hills, flew our drone around sunrise, got up and decided to just continue down the road. That led us to the Burpee Geologic Quarry, or Dinosaur Quarry. We got to talk to a paleontologist who told us all about some dinosaur bones that they were looking at, showed us some fossilized wood, petrified trees, showed us, told us that there was all sorts of like crustaceous shells out there that we could collect. So we spent probably like 3-4 hours just wandering by ourselves. We were able to just wander, look around, and search for dinosaur bones and fossils yesterday. It was incredibly cool. Then after that we went to Factory Butte, learned a little bit about that and flew our drone over there. Saw some pretty sick dirt bike motocross trails that go right over the butte, and then after that again just continued down the road. I was like, what are those white cliffs? Let's keep going. We ended up in some Wild Horse Mesa area, I think it was. I don't even know what the name of it was. We just continued down the road. Again, found some sick, colorful hills, really similar to the Bentonite Hills. So it was really, really cool. Then after that, like I said, we drove out here. We made it out here to the Cosmic Ashtray Trailhead, and now it's a little after sunrise. It's probably like 8 o'clock now, so we're gonna get hiking. Hopefully there's not too many people out here. It is Saturday of Memorial Day weekend, so this is a little risky, but we've only seen one couple of girls walk by, so hopefully there's nobody down there by the time we actually get over there. After hiking the nearly almost 5 miles up to the Cosmic Ashtray, we are now encountering a huge sandstorm and windstorm. The things are crazy, so we can't fly the drone, but at least the view. Woo. You like those views, Maria? So day 3 is not shaping out the way we hoped it would. Yesterday we drove about 3 hours down to an area called the Vermilion Cliffs of Arizona. We were hoping to go visit the White Pocket area. We pulled in last night in the dark and got a little stuck. So we had to camp right next to our car last night in the middle of the road and wait for a nice kind soul to come out this morning and help us. Fortunately we did, and we are free and clear, but we do not think that we will make it down to White Pocket. The roads didn't really seem that bad. They're really sandy. We just don't have quite the clearance on our car, we learned. So might have to save that for another trip. We might still explore some other things, but right now we're just kind of in a limbo state. Lucky that it could have been worse. Lucky that it wasn't that bad of a situation, but definitely kind of stinks that our trip is progressively now going downhill a little bit, but it's okay. We'll get it figured out.